If you have a podcast idea, we have a studio for you.
Whatever content you want to produce, this is the place.
It could be a sports podcast. It could even be more serious, business or politics related.
Or you can relax and talk about vacations and traveling.
Hey, music lovers, I'm looking at you.
Or we can just talk about life, the fun things, spread positivity.
Or if, things aren't going well, you can come here to vent. We can get through it together.
It's going to be okay.
Or you can come here and spread all your wild ideas. You could literally say anything you want. Like this one time in Vegas,
Okay, maybe we won't let you say everything, but you get the idea.
Regardless, if you've been itching to start a show, this is the place for you.
Flexwork Studios. Let's work together.